Hello, my name's Nicola. Can I ask you a few questions, please?
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, first, what's your name?
It's Charlie Bell.
Okay, and what do you do?
I'm a student.
What are you studying?
Biology.
Oh, that's interesting. Are you using a computer at the moment?
Yes, I am.
What sort of computer are you using? A desktop or a laptop?
A laptop. I always use a laptop.
I see. And do you use it for work, study or leisure?
Study and leisure.
Okay. Now, how often do you do these things on your computer? Often, sometimes, or never? Firstly, do you send emails?
Yes, I do. Every day.
Okay, so that's often. Do you visit chat rooms?
No, I don't.
Do you shop online?
Sometimes.
Okay. Do you book tickets on the internet?
Yes. I often book tickets for rock concerts.
What about flights?
No. My girlfriend works for a travel company, so she always does that.
Okay. Do you download music, TV programs and so on?
Yes, I do that a lot. In fact, I'm downloading some music at the moment.
Oh, I see. Do you edit and print photographs?
No, I don't. I always take them to a shop. It's a lot quicker and the photos look better.
And do you play computer games?
Yes, I often do that. Especially when the lectures at university are boring.
Oh, really?
No, I'm only joking.
Right. Okay.